Money bag, money bag, money bag. Bitch, I'm making like a money bag. Money bag.
Holy, look at that pigment. I barely even did anything. That is insane pigment. Whew. Holy pigment. Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing the Shayla X Colourpop collection. So I got my hands on the palette and her highlight. I also ordered her lipstick, but it hasn't come yet. So this shade is Boomin' and this is the Perception palette. And it is so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I did this look. I did a purple to blue smoky ombre eye, and I'm also going to do a review at the end of this palette. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So I'm going to be using this palette, and it's already pretty. Look at it. Look at that packaging though. So pretty. And then even prettier. I can't even feel. Today I think I'm going to be doing a purple blue like ombre eye because I really want to use those three colors. They're so pretty. So let's just get started. So I'm going to start off with a crease color, and I'm going to use Culture, which is like a very nice light brown transition shade, and I'm going to take a blending brush and just put it all over my crease. So I'm going with this BH brush and just dip it into the color and put it on my eyes. Holy, look at that pigment. I barely even did anything. And this has very nice warm undertones. I'm here for it. It's gonna look so good. That is insane pigment. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and like drag it out to an outer V just to create a wing with the eyeshadow. I went ahead and added some tape just so the line is sharp at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and darken that crease with this color called Played Out, which is like a dark brown color, and it has a kind of like maroon hints to it. So now that we have our base done, I'm going to try and cut my crease, and hopefully there will be like a clear lid space where I can put all the colors on so it pops. So I'm going to use the Colourpop concealer, no filter concealer in the shade Light 18. I'm going to put on my eyelid and then just use a brush to buff it out. I like to put on the lid and then open my eye just so I know where my crease is. So wait, right here. See right here, that's what we're going to do. Wow, surprisingly I cut my crease easier when I use this than when I use a brush. So if you suck at a cut crease just like me, just use the wand of the concealer and just let it dry after. I didn't go ahead and dip back in. It's whatever product was in here when I picked it up. I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush and back to that same color Played Out and just redefine the crease color. Next, I'm going to start off with this beautiful purple color called September, and this color I feel like is just Shayla. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the inner third of my eye with a flatter brush. gonna go ahead and pack on the color on top just to make it brighter. Next, I'm gonna take the nice blue color, and it's called 14. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the middle of my eye. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and blend those two colors together. And just put out one. Okay, so next I'm gonna take the color Stallion and put it at the end and blend that out with that. So this is the look that I came up with. I put on my mascara and eyeliner off camera, and it just happened to be similar to the Patrick Star one. So it came out purple, and then there's blue, and then there's like a darker blue, and it kind of looks smoky at the end. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some lipstick and her highlight. I got the color Boomin', and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my face. The color that I ordered from her was called Quickie, but it didn't come yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and use another Colourpop shade called Pinkies Up, which is like a darker nude, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that. And that is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. So now let's talk about the palette. Okay, so let's review this collection. So I love Shayla and I love Colourpop, so I'm very happy that she collaborated with Colourpop because it's super affordable and the products are really good and pigmented, as you will see in this video. So I got this Perception palette. It comes in this nice purple and gold and black packaging. It's like a paint splatter and it just looks very Shayla. So when you open it up, it has 16 shades. I'm not sure if this is the most a palette has had. I think their holiday collections had more, but this is still a lot, and this retails for $23. So I love the colors in here. It's so different. When I first saw it, I didn't know if I would like it because there's like colors that I won't use, I guess, but I think there's so many options to do with this. You can use any of these colors for like a pop. You can make a neutral eye. This whole side is like neutrals, and then this is like the fun, colorful side. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the swatches, and I love the names on this. It says Unbothered, TF, Titus, which by the way, this color is like exactly Titus's color, Stallion, Spill the Tea, Diva, IE, 14, Strut and Slay, Sassy, September, Thick, Revenge, Played Out, and Shade. So I love these names, and this also comes with a mirror and the names on the bottom, which she always advocates for in every single palette. So it's a very Shayla palette. Then I got her highlight, which comes in this like purple packaging, and it's this gold color. It's so pretty. I applied it on my face today, and the colors are so pretty. So overall, I rate this collection a 10 out of 10. Everything is so good. Everything that I have. I know the lipsticks and the lip gloss have really good reviews as well. So I recommend you actually buy this. Regardless if you're a fan of Shayla or not, this palette has something for everyone in it. and it's just so pretty in packaging. It has so many shimmers. Everything in this collection is affordable, so I totally recommend you get it. At least one thing from the collection I think you should try out. This highlight is boomin'. I'm really excited to try out my lipstick, so I support this collection. I support Shayla, and I recommend that you buy any of her products from this collection. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. So if you want first impressions and unboxing, make sure to head over to our story, because we definitely do like first impression and unboxing on our story as it comes, and we do like swatches and like how we feel about the palette, our initial thoughts. So make sure to follow us on Instagram for that. And if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and like this video so we know. And thank you guys so much for watching. As Shayla would say, strut and slay.